The overall goal of this article is to use the automated learning device known as the ALDM to study social cognition in non-human primates. This is achieved by using a monkey equipped with an RFID microchip that can freely leave its enclosure to enter the ALDM testing units. The RFID microchip reader captures the numeric identity of the monkey when it enters an ALDM test unit, and the test program displays cognitive experiments and records which animal uses which ALDM test and when. Adaptable protocols can inform the experimenter on the effect of the social mood on performance, social influences during cognitive testing, and the cultural evolution of the behavior in transmission chains. The results validate the use of ALDM to study social cognition in non-human primates.
We are happy to present a new protocol aimed to study social cognition in non-human primates. This method uses an automated learning device for monkeys known as ALDM.
To begin, prepare the test chambers. Equip a test chamber with sliding doors at the rear that can be open or closed. Open the back door of the ALDM unit to provide access to the test system from the enclosure. Fit the front panel of the test chamber with a 7.3 by 7 cm viewport and 2 hand ports. Install an antenna connected to a microchip reader around each hand port. The antenna will capture the RFID identity of the subject. Install a 19-inch capacitive touchscreen in front of each